Welcome to Math with Cowboy J. I'm Cowboy J, doing math the fun and easy way. Let's get into it. Today is finding the factor pair by either grouping lines or skip counting. So today's number is going to be 16. So grouping lines is, you're going to write out 16 lines, but our first factor pair is always that number times 1. That's always going to be our first factor pair. Next, we want to see if the number is prime or composite. So we have a 6 right here in the ones place. And we all know that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, all even numbers share 2 to be great. So since 6 falls in there, we know that it shares 2. Our job right now is to find the second number. So by grouping lines, I'm going to write out 16 lines and groups of moving by 2. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm going to group them by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups, so the missing number is 8. That's our factor pair. Here I'm going to skip count by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And again, I'm going to count my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Now, to see if 16 is a multiple of 3, as you guys learned, I'm going to take 6 plus 1 plus 6, and that gives me 7. And I'm going to ask myself, is there anything times 3 that'll give me 7? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 doesn't work, so I don't have to make 16 lines for 3 because 3 doesn't work. So now we try 4. Now almost any number that, when you use 2, always try 4 because 2 and 4 share a lot of the same numbers. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm going to group them by 4s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 5. Boom. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4, 16. So here I'm going to skip count by 4s. So 4, 8, 12, 16. I'm going to count my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now here's a little hint. Don't tell nobody. It's our secret. Anytime you get double numbers, you don't have to look for any more factor pairs. That will be the last of the factor pair. Another clue that if your 2 factor pairs are 1 and 2 from each other, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you go in order, the key thing, if you go in order, find your factor pair, that's also a clue that you have found all the factor pairs possible. So let's try another number. Let's go with, I'm gonna take this one out. Put in a fresh board. Break it down. We're just gonna put GL and FP and SC and FP. So grouping lines, factor pair, skip counting, factor pair, and the number this time is going to be 20. So again, underline, first factor pair is going to be what? That is correct. 1 times 20. So again, our first factor pair is what? That is correct. 1 times 20. All right. 0 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All even numbers share 2 to be great. So there go to 0. There go to 0. If it's not in our 2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means it doesn't share 2. So we would automatically go to 3, but this one shares 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So again, I'm going to circle in groups of 2. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6, group 7, group 8, group 9, group 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There go our missing factor pair. Here we're going to skip count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And again, we're going to count our groups. Numbers we wrote. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's our missing number. 2 plus 0 is 2. And since 3 is bigger than 2, so we can't try 2. So we'll try 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we're going to group them by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 times 5. Remember what I said? These numbers are 1 and 2 from each other, so there's no more factor pairs. And we're going to do group this one. Skip count by 4s. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. You guys were wonderful. That's how we grouping lines. That's how we group lines. And this is how we skip count. This is Big Cowboy J, teaching you math the fun and easy way. Enjoy your day. Love you guys. Peace.